once you have downloaded the app, turn on the location, hit get started, put your phone number in. You're going to receive a confirmation. Go ahead and put whatever numbers they give you. Register with your full name, and then click the arrow, next arrow. Read, understand, and agree with the terms and conditions. And now you have to put a payment method. Now you have two options. You can take it right now or wait till later. But in this case, we're going to pick take it right later. Hit next, and then agree with all the CDC rules. Hit all the check marks and agree. You can either turn on your location or you can enter a destination. So that's what we're going to do. Click enter a pickup location, and this will allow you to put a starting and a ending destination. Now select your vehicle. You have the option to ride in style or ride casual. Thanks for watching the video. Leave a like and have a great day.